Currently, the problem that we see in the mobile network operator community is that they have many subscribers and consumers who do not receive the service that they pay for. So if you think about your personal experience of mobile telephony, there are times when you don't get a signal and your calls don't end normally. The solution to that is to measure the customer's experience and then based on that measurement take an action that improves the performance of the service. So we have built a product that we license to network operators all over the world. We measure individual customers' experience, report it to the network, they take action, experience improves. So LCR 4.0 gives me access to some expertise that we need. I mean, we're fairly self-sufficient because we are fairly technical people, but we're moving into an area where we're having to scale up our product. How do I manage that? I need help. Where do I get the help from? How do I fund it? So LCR 0 gives me access to expertise, effectively at no cost, apart from the impact on us to support them, support us. We're having to move to a third generation platform, that platform being something that will ingest vast quantities of data and analyse it in real time. So traditional solutions based on 30-year-old technology won't really help us with customers who are asking us to support networks which range between 80 million subscribers and 800 million subscribers. So we have to change the way that we deal with the data that we collect. So the chaps at Hartree are going to help us build a framework architecture that we're then going to complete, and it's going to be their expertise in these big data components that we're going to gain through this project. I think one of the main pieces of advice I'd give other organisations, not necessarily in our industry even, is that LCR 4.0 is providing us a business with access to expertise. What's the business benefit? Time to market, because we don't spend as much time figuring out what we have to do because we're told. We get support with funding, so those sort of businesses which fit into the SME category get access to something they may not actually have afforded otherwise. So yeah, definitely go for a program through LCR 4.0.